Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Mainframe Girls. So last video we learned about export connect. So now I'll be telling you what is import connect, when do we do a import connect, and what are the parameters of import connect, and a small example with an import connect. Okay, so what is an import connect? Normally import is the IDCAMS job in which import connect is a part of import parameter. So what does this import connect do? The main work of this is it will connect a user catalog to a master catalog. Okay, in the last video I told you about export connect, which will remove the connection between a user catalog and a master catalog, and import connect will give you the connection, means will add a connection between a user catalog and a master catalog. Okay, so why do we need this import connect? I'll tell you, like there are many times or when you play with a catalog. So there are some place when you create a new catalog, at that times you need this connection should be. This is called a connector job. Import connect is a connector job. Let's see the parameters. We have connect, obviously, objects. In objects, you have to keep the catalog name which you want to get connected. Device type and volume is mandatory in import connect. And if these are optional parameters, alias, poll catalog, and catalog, these will be needed if you are connecting between two user catalogs or a tape catalog, like that, if it isn't directly to a master catalog. Why and when import connect? So first thing is a basic thing. If you're doing a recovery of a catalog to a different volume serial. When suppose thing previously your catalog was there in one volume, okay, but when you're doing a recovery, you are doing it in a different volume. At that time, there should be a connection established to the master catalog. Master catalog should know that this catalog is no longer staying in this volume. It is staying in a different volume. So at that time, you have to run this import connect with that volume parameter. Then the connector will be established between master catalog and the user catalog. If the catalog is shared with the systems that do not share the master catalog. Suppose you are doing a reorg or a resize of the master catalog. Okay, but you suppose there are 3 to 4 systems. There is a sysplex systems. Okay, at that time what happens, if you are running a job on a single system, after that in the remaining 3 systems you have to run this import connect for that information to be mapped to that particular master catalog. If they do not share the same master catalog, okay, if the master catalog is different in that systems, and this is same if you're moving a catalog to a different volume, you have to run you have to run this connector job. If you're moving a catalog to a different system, in that system, that this will be a new job, right? So new catalog, right? So you have to run this import connect for that system to be knowing that this catalog has been in that system. And the main basic thing is defining a new catalog. Suppose you have defined a new user catalog, obviously you have to connect that to the master catalog. In all the systems you have to run this import connect for this connection to made between user catalog and a master catalog. Sometimes there will be a cf repair command which you will be giving for a rls, means if there is a record level sharing will be there in the catalog, if that thing has to be set. Okay, at that time, if suppose there is an error something, you will be issuing the cf repair command. So before that, you have to do this import connect in all the systems. Make sure that in all the systems, your user catalog is connected to the master catalog. Then only you can issue the cf repair command. Okay, coming to the parameters. The main parameter, as I told you, import is the IDCAMS job, but the connect parameter is the main parameter which you have to use to connect your user catalog to a master catalog or any other catalog. So user catalog or the volume catalog is to be connected to the master catalog in the receiving system. So this parameter is must. Okay, the next comes this objects parameter, the place where you will be putting your catalog name here. So you have to put objects and you will be giving your catalog name here. Then device type, if you are specialized with esoterics, that word is like if it's a dash D, you will be giving 3390, and if it is tape, you have to give a tape or a CART card. This esoteric is something a group of devices will be kept in with a single name. When you give 3390, it means that all the DASD, all the disk volumes will be there in 3390. If you give tape as a device type, it means all that tape files will be there like that. Okay, and this volume should be must. You have to know in which user catalog this particular volume is there. Okay, this user catalog is suppose residing in something VVV321. You have to specify that here for connecting. The master catalog should know your user catalog's volume and device type. After keyword parameters, like we have some optional parameters. Suppose you are connecting some alias to a user catalog. At that time you have to give alias. And other time when you give aliases, suppose, see, sometimes what we do is we simply do a export connect. Okay, export disconnect, and then we do a import connect. And suppose the system has lost some connection. At that time, what happens if you give this alias keyword, alias optional parameter? What happens? All the aliases, whatever they were there before, it will be automatically will be mapped to your user catalog. So whatever aliases were there before, the 3000 or 3500, 2000 aliases were there before, that aliases will be mapped to your user catalog if you keep this alias keyword. Okay, if it is, if it's just better to keep this alias keyword when you're running this import connect. If suppose if there are some alias, they'll be connected. If there are no alias, that it will not affect the job. Okay, if this catalog parameter you use mostly when you are connecting your catalog to a different catalog other than a master catalog. See the name of the catalog into which they define the catalog you are connecting. The parameter is required when you want the direct catalogs entry to a particular catalog other than master catalog. So at that time you specify this catalog parameter. Suppose some of the alias you want that to be mapped to this catalog. And this wall catalog, that a volume catalogs to be correct means you have to wall cat means we, so VVD wall cat will be there, right? VCAT, and that things you have to connect to that particular catalog. At that time you give this wall catalog. See, when you use import connect for a tape volume catalog, you need to specify this wall catalog. Okay, so there are these parameters are optional parameters, but it is you use these parameters according to the requirement you get. Okay, this is an example job card IDCAMS. You know that import is the keyword, which import is the main word which you are doing, and you the main word, the next word you should not forget connect. Connect is there, so you are connecting a catalog to a master catalog or any other catalog. Next, what we see, this is objects is a parameter in which you have to specify all your user catalog, your volume, your device type, and everything. So this is the user catalog which you have to connect to a master catalog. And this is the volume where you have to put your 6 digits volume serial number. Then the device type is 3390. Mostly you will be using 3390. The connect parameter and the catalog. Here it's not mandatory if you are connecting to a master catalog. There is no mandatory for this parameter to be specified. You can specify only these parameters. It will directly connect to the master catalog, but you can specify also, it will not affect anything. So if you specify catalog keyword and this word, it means this catalog is getting connected to this catalog with this parameter, and volume is must. So please kindly let us know if you have any doubts or if you want any depth topic or any other topic to be explained. Let us know your questions or everything. We are making shorts, we are replying to the comments, and we are making videos according to the comments we are getting. So please support us. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.